So this XAUUSD analysis for Thursday, the 10th of January. Now, let's just have a look on prices, where prices may likely go. So here on the XAUUSD, we've had prices come down, had a perfect test of the one, that 1279.42. We've had a brief rally back above the 1284, brief consolidation, pull back down towards 1280. Didn't quite test that 1279.42. What we did instead see was a pretty strong bullish buy side volatility, bring us through 1284, 1288.14, and brought us back up towards this very next level that we were looking at in around that 1295.59. Now in around this 1295.59, we've had a brief pullback here, so we'll look to see if we do have a retest of that level. If we can break and hold that 1295.59, looking for that further continuation here to the upside. And if that is the case, the levels that we are looking at are as follows. So if we do have a break and hold of that 1295.59, looking for that 1305.20, which is a very strong level here on the XAUUSD. But if we do break from there, looking at 107, 1307.18, and beyond that, we're looking at 1313.58 here on the XAUUSD. Now, if we do see a breakdown, on the other hand, if we do continue to hold resistance in around that 1250, that 1295.59, do continue to hold resistance in around that level, looking for a move back down towards 1288, 1284, but do seem to have found support on quite a few occasions here in around that 1279.42. So in around that 1279.42, we've seen that bullish buy side volatility come back into the market in around 1279.42, that 1280 level. So we'll see. That'll be the very next level that we're looking at, major level that we're looking at if we do see a fairly strong breakdown away from this 1295.59. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the XAUUSD, we've seen we have a lows, high lows, high lows still. We've had this strong bullish move to the upside up towards a 1295.59. Had a bit of a flag forming here on the XAUUSD. Do seem to be in counter resistance in around 1295.59. So if we do fail to break out here to the upside and head towards, say, that 1305 and 1313.58, if we do instead to the breakdown, we've mentioned that 1279.42, but from a daily chart perspective, the very next level, the major level that we're looking at from a daily chart perspective, possibly looking at that 1270.10. Around the 1270.10, we also have the confluence of the 400 period moving average. There's also increased likelihood to see a bullish bounce at that level. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the XAUUSD analysis. Thanks for watching.